Motorcycles for beginners, the ultimate guide. Honda CRF300L. The Honda CRF300L is a top contender for beginners looking to enter the world of dual-sport motorcycles. Combining lightweight agility, approachable performance, and Honda's legendary reliability, the CRF300L is a versatile machine that excels both on and off the road. For riders eager to explore trails, tackle dirt roads, or commute through city streets, this dual-sport bike offers a user-friendly and exciting entry point. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Honda CRF300L is a 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. It produces 27 horsepower and 26.6 Nm of torque, providing ample power for beginners without feeling intimidating. The engine's smooth delivery and responsive throttle make it easy for new riders to handle, whether cruising at low speeds on trails or picking up the pace on highways. Paired with a 6-speed transmission, the CRF300L includes a slipper clutch, which reduces clutch lever effort and enhances control during downshifting. This feature is particularly helpful for beginners as it minimizes the risk of rear-wheel lockup and offers a smoother ride. Lightweight and maneuverability. Weighing just 142 kilograms, 313 pounds fully fueled, the CRF300L is one of the lightest bikes in its category. This lightweight design makes it exceptionally easy to maneuver, especially for new riders developing their balance and handling skills. Its narrow profile and low center of gravity further enhance its stability, allowing riders to feel confident in a variety of terrains. The bike's suspension is designed for versatility, with long travel front and rear setups to handle bumps, ruts, and uneven surfaces. With a ground clearance of 284 mm (11.2 inches), it's well-suited for tackling off-road obstacles, while its upright seating position provides excellent visibility and control. Features and technology. Honda has equipped the CRF300L with features that cater to both beginners and adventure enthusiasts. Digital instrument cluster, a clear display shows essential information, including speed, fuel level, and gear position, in an easy-to-read format. LED lighting, the headlight and taillight offer enhanced visibility and a modern aesthetic. Fuel efficiency, the CRF300L boasts impressive fuel economy, allowing for longer rides with fewer stops. Why it's perfect for beginners. The Honda CRF300L's approachable power, lightweight design, and dual-sport versatility make it an excellent motorcycle for beginners. Its ability to seamlessly transition from city streets to rugged trails ensures a fun and confidence-building experience for new riders. Whether you're commuting, exploring, or learning the ropes of off-road riding, the CRF300L is a reliable and exciting choice for any beginner ready to embrace adventure.